guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I wanted to share with you this project chair that I purchased for $10. And I loved the look of it. I've been wanting a deconstructed chair, well, furniture in general. And so when I saw this, I knew that I wanted to take on this project and do something cool with this chair. I've seen the ones in Restoration Hardware and they're very pricey, so I thought this would be an inexpensive way to achieve the look that I'm going for. That deconstructed farmhouse look. I've never taken on a project like this before, so we'll see how this goes. And hope you'll come along and see how this all turns out along with me. And if you have any suggestions, well, I guess it'll be too late for that because the project would have already been done when I upload this video, but if you have any suggestions, I guess you could still suggest for me, because if I take on another project like this, if any of y'all have tried this, or if you've done this before, give me some tips and tricks. That would be great for future projects. I've already vacuumed the chair, and along with spraying this Febreze all over the fabric of the chair. And I'm going to get started here on my project chair. I'm very excited. chair project, and I wanted to film it when I had a little more light in here coming in, even though it's a rainy day today, so it's not very bright, but hopefully it's better than filming this at nighttime. So this is it. This is my finished chair project. I'm so glad it's done. It took a long time, and I think I forgot to mention to you guys that the chair was exactly the way I found it. I did not remove any of the fabric, so that saved me a lot of time. I think had I had to remove all the fabric on a chair, that would have been more time consuming. But I found the chair as was, with the burlap fabric on it, as you saw it in the beginning. And the fabric I ended up using, which I think I also forgot to mention to you guys, was just the smallest size drop cloth that you can find at any home improvement store, Walmart, I believe even online you can purchase these. So you have many options for your drop cloth fabric. And well, it's just a paint drop cloth, but I use it a lot for fabric. Anyways, so I do have a question for you guys. If you think I should put trim, like finishing upholstery type trim here, or these old tacks. I don't know if the tacks would work every place though, because some of it doesn't have the wood behind, like here. So what I was thinking was using like some type of upholstery kind of, well, I don't know if it's not really called a ribbon, but whatever you call this stuff here, this finishing, to finish off the upholster job. Do you think I need that here to finish this chair off, or do you think it looks good the way it is to give it that, just that deconstructed look? I wasn't sure, so I'm kind of going back and forth on that, so I wanted to get your advice on that. And the other thing I want to get your advice on is this is darker stain on the leg here, and up here you can see that it's lighter color, like where the fabric used to be on this chair, covering that part up. So it's a little bit lighter up there and then darker down here. So do you think I need to stain that part to match, or do you guys think it looks okay the way it is? Probably should have thought of that before I put the fabric on, but I couldn't possibly use a stain pen, marker type pen, that would be a little bit easier to maneuver around the fabric if I did decide to do that. So let me know what you guys think. I was just wondering on those two things. I wasn't sure about it, so let me know your opinions. And I'm pretty happy with this chair project, how this turned out for being my first time ever doing something like this. I don't think it's too shabby, and for being only $10 for the chair and $10 for the fabric, I've got $20 into it plus my time. It was very time consuming, but I think worth it compared to what these things would cost new at like Restoration Hardware store. They've made these deconstructed chairs very popular, and I do love the look. It's just an awesome look, I think. I know it's not for everybody, but I just love the look of these chairs, and I've seen them in different chairs and like settees and things like that. So I just love the furniture that are deconstructed. So I am happy with how this turned out. The only thing is I was wondering too is if I shouldn't have bought like batting or like some kind of a foam cushion to put on the seat, and batting on the back of this chair to make it a little bit softer. So that's something I would probably do in the future. But you know, it's still really comfy the way it is, so it's really nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this chair project, and let me know what you think. And please like this video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.